Hello everyone, I am Nano, and today I'm gonna start the series of solving a Rubik's Cube. So there are 5 steps, or actually 4 steps of solving a Rubik's Cube, and today I'm gonna show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube, Beginner's Method, Part 1, Solving the Cross. So, the cross is very easy. Is to make the cross on the top with the sides color matching. You can try different examples. Like this one. I have this. It's very easy. So let's scramble it more. Okay, so first you're gonna align the top. So now it's like this. Now I see that this has blue orange piece in the orange face, so I can bring this piece up like that. Next is I see this piece which is blue red. I can bring the red piece that it's going to be. So I'm gonna bring this here. Instead of bring it up, it won't match, but I'll bring it here. Instead of bringing it here, we're gonna bring it here. So it's the same, but you saw that, right? And the last one, which I'm gonna put it here. Instead of putting it here, I'm gonna put it here, which I can't do this because it'll be flipped the wrong way. So I'm gonna bring this piece to get this piece up here, and then bring this piece back. And there you have it. You can practice this section more times. The more times you practice, the faster you can do. So I see that I can bring this up and bring this up. It's easy. So these are matched up, and then this has to go here, which I have to bring this piece up in the correct spot to bring it up like that. And the last one is easy. I can either bring this piece like this and bring it up, or bring this piece or the slot that this piece is going to be, bring it out and bring this up, and you've solved the cross. You can try more examples, and I'm sure that you can do it. First, I see these two pieces that can be moved up. So I know that orange is opposite red, so I can bring this piece up and bring the red up. So they're opposite, but the colors are not matching. But don't worry, we'll fix it later. So I can bring this piece up, and when I bring this piece back, it'll be normal. But now I can bring this piece down to match the color, and match the color on the top, and bring the piece up, and you've solved the cross. And here's it. Make sure to check out the next video on solving the first 2 layers on the beginner's method. Hope you enjoyed this video. Catch up with the next video by subscribe, and if you want to share this video and let people solve the Rubik's Cube, and you can also do it by sharing the video and like the video. Bye.